Excited to kick off the new school year, administrators are at Bluffton High School taking part in the Principals Institute. During the workshop, the district named for the first time in its history an elementary and secondary principal of the year.
This is a great place to work. The people are wonderful. I've been surrounded by fantastic teachers. My favorite part is to mentor people who want to be principals, and there are a handful who are here, and that's very gratifying. And this, of course, was extremely gratifying.
Pure shock, surprised. I know the great people who are in this district and who have been leading in this district for years. So for those and in the county to feel like I was deserving of this, I was very honored and touched.
The two-day workshop gives the administrators the opportunity to connect and focus on the upcoming school year.
I think it's really important to make sure that we pour into them and continue to grow them as leaders. And I think that's one of the big themes for us in this coming year is making sure that we're growing not only our teachers, but also our assistant principals and our principals. And today was a kickoff of that, and it's really an opportunity to grow them and make sure that they're getting the skill sets that they need and the support that they need to be successful in their roles and to keep pushing our system forward.
The principals enjoy collaborating with their colleagues as they learn more about leadership and professional learning strategies they can use at their schools.
So it's always a good time for principals to get together to grow professionally. So when principals grow, they can lead their schools, and that impacts student achievement. So again, collaborating with my professionals and my peers is always good and moves our district forward. And our district is all about how can we, promote our students and push our students and our teachers forward. So I'm happy to be here and collaborate, be with my peers, learn from my peers, and grow from this experience.
It's just a nice time for leaders of schools to get together, have a little bit of fellowship, and kind of really set the goals for the start of the work for the school year. It's always nice to get back again and think about what is the work and how we're going to accomplish it this year.
The first day of school is August 16th. At Bluffton High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
As leaders in our buildings. And so I'm excited for the year. We're going to make some good things happen.